Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Access 57 and let me show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Here let's find display and themes, let's tap on it. And here we've got on the third position the wallpaper, so let's tap. Now we can choose wallpaper from our gallery, from Google Photos or regular wallpapers. So let me pick the wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got the list of defaultly installed wallpapers from which we can choose. If you want to see how the particular one look, then simply tap on it and it will appear here. So let's choose something, for example, maybe this one. And if you are ready to set the wallpaper, simply tap on Set Wallpaper right here. Now we can decide where we want to set it. We can apply it to our home screen, lock screen, or both. So let me pick both. Now let's get back. And as you can see, it is immediately applied to our home screen. And after locking our device, we are also able to see it on the lock screen. So that's all. This is how to set wallpaper in your ARCHOS Access 57. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.